Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can find promo codes for Costco. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First, you want to search for Coupon Follow. It is a website where you guys can get most of the promo code you want. Once you search for it, click on the first link. It'll take you to couponfollow.com. Once you're over here where it says search at the top, you want to search for Costco, C-O-S-T-C-O. And it's going to show you Costco.com. Click on it. Once you do that, all the promo codes shown over here, you can use it on Costco. So scan through all of this and choose the one which you like. Let's say I would like this one. I can click on show coupon code and the code is going to be shown to me. Now I can use this coupon code in Costco.com during the checkout time to get $20 to $30 off from my purchase. So yeah, that's how you guys can find promo code of Costco by coming to couponfollow.com. Hope you understand this video. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.